Guys, I have something to tell you. I have my new virtual assistant. His name is Robby. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Robby. Robby, can you tell us about yourself? You graduated from what school? What are your favorite subjects? And do you have girlfriend?
Hi Sir Ricky. First of all, I'll have to introduce myself. I'm Robby, your substitute teacher in mathematics subjects. By the way, thank you Sir Ricky for giving me this kind of opportunity. You know, I am a graduate of teacher education course at Iloilo Science and Technology University Batch 2015, cum laude. My favorite subjects include algebra, geometry, trigonometry, statistics and even calculus. I got a grade of 1.0 in differential and integral calculus. Anyway, I will try my best to answer many questions related to mathematics. When you ask me if I have a girlfriend, well, my favorite motto is study first, love later, ha 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 ha. That's why until now I'm still single and very much available. What do you think?
Wow! Bravo! What a very nice introduction, Robby. You told us that you got a grade of 1.0 in calculus. Wow, that's awesome. My first lesson in grade 7 is about set. Can you enlighten us about set?
You're right, this is our first topic in grade 7 mathematics. Let me explain the idea of a set for reference. A set is any well-defined collection or group of distinct objects. Take note of the words well-defined and distinct. Well-defined means clearly stated and distinct meaning unique. The objects in a set are called elements or members, usually numbers, letters, symbols, names, things, etc. A set is usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z and so on and so forth. The elements or members of a set are usually denoted by small letters A, B, C, etc. I will be giving you examples of a set. 1. The set of all points that lie on a given line. Can you identify all the points in a particular line? We can name some but not all because a line is consist of points, millions or perhaps billions of points. 2. The set of distinct letters in the word Philippines. Take note that the elements of a set are unique, therefore, the elements are P, H, I, L, N, E, S. 3. The set of whole numbers less than 20. Speaking of whole numbers, the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Therefore the elements of a given set are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 18. 19 is not included. 4. The set of counting numbers less than 1. Wow! This is very obvious. The smallest counting number is 1. Suppose an object X is an element of set W, then we can say that X belongs to W or X is an element of W. Otherwise X is not an element of W or X does not belong to W. If a particular set A does not have an element, then we can say that A is an empty set or a null set. In our last example, the set of counting numbers less than 1 is an empty set because there was no counting number less than 1. 0 is not a counting number but a whole number, and negative numbers are not counting numbers but an integer. There are two ways of writing a set, the roster method and the set builder notation. In the roster method, the elements are listed separated by a comma and enclosed in a pair of brackets. In the set builder notation, a set is defined by stating the property that describes all elements in a set. We have example on the board. Don't you know that sets can be finite or infinite? A set is finite if it's possible to write down a complete list of all elements of the set, otherwise the set is said to be infinite. In our previous examples of set, the set of distinct letters in the word Philippines and the set of whole numbers less than 20 are finite sets. While the set of all points that lie on a given line is infinite because there are millions of points lying on a given line.
Wow, that's really nice. You explained the lesson very clear, but I'm sorry to say that it's quite fast. Are you aware that you missed out to explain some details about set? What do you think?
Let me think first. Oh my god. I'm so sorry guys, I stand corrected for the two items. For the set of whole numbers less than 20, the elements of this particular set should be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 19, but 20 is not included. Another correction, in the roster method, the elements are listed separated by a comma and enclosed in a pair of brace, not a pair of bracket. Again, sorry for that. Maybe I'm just so excited to be your virtual assistant.
Thank you so much, Robbie, for that corrections. I hope to see you again in our lessons, future lessons. What do you think if we will continue discussing about sets like operations on set, Cartesian product, Venn diagram, universal set, and so on and so forth?
Sure, Sir Ricky. Rest assured that I will continue to learn the subject for the benefit of our students. Thank you so much.